Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a cookies pop-up on your website. So whenever you visit a site and you see this type of message, then this is for the cookies that the website uses your browser cookies. So when you click accept or reject, then this will disappear. So what is cookie constant notice? So let me show you a few examples, you will understand. We will add this type of message on our website. So whenever a user visits the site for the first time, they will see this message or this one or something like this. So this is very simple. We will use a free plugin and let me show you how we can do this. First go to your dashboard, plugins and add new. Now here search for cookies notice. And you will see these plugins. So the first plugin is cookies notice for GDPR and CCPA. This has 1 million active installations, so we will install this one. Now before customizing, let me show you the website on which we gonna show this message. So this is the website I just created. Now the client demand that she needs that pop-up message here in the bottom or somewhere in the site. So I add that plugin. Now once you activate that plugin, you can go to its settings. And here is a simple configuration. This is the message will be displayed on the site. Like these are the messages. So if you want to change this, you can simply write your own message here. And this is the button text. Like accept, okay. So I will change this to accept. Enable privacy policy links. So if you have a privacy policy page, then you can enable this and it will put a link to your privacy policy page. Now I think I have this page. Let me check. So this is the page I have, cookies policy. I can link that in this plugin here. So I will enable this and you can change the text here. So I will change it to cookies policy. Now select page link and select that page. If you select blank here, then the cookies page will open in a new tab. And if you choose self, then it will open in the same tab. Select privacy policy link, so banner and message. You will see this option live in a minute. You can check all these options according to your website and you can enable or disable these. Reloading. Now once a user click accept button like this, then you want to reload the page or not. So I will keep this unchecked because we don't want to reload the page. Unscroll. If somebody scroll the website, then it will appear. So you can enable this or disable this according to your choices. Now accepted expiry. So how much time did your website will store the browser cache? So normally this is on 1 month, so it's fine. You can increase or decrease these. Rejected expiry. If someone rejects the policies, like if I don't click accept and I just close this, then after how much time does this message will appear again? Script placement. So basically this is JavaScript. If you put JavaScript in header, then it will load before loading the website. So your cookies message will appear soon once someone visits the site. And if you keep this in footer, then it will take some time to load. So this is fine in header. Deactivation, enable if you want all plugin data to be deleted on deactivation. If you want to delete the cookies that you have stored through this plugin, so by deactivation the data will lose. So I recommend not to check this one. Corona banner. Now this is a new update in this plugin which is due to COVID-19. So if you want to display some information about Corona, then you can enable these options. I will uncheck these as I don't want to display anything about that. Now this is the position. So you want it in the bottom of the page or in the top. So I will choose bottom. Animation is none, fade, slide. You can choose any of these. And this is the button style, so you can customize this by custom CSS. If you give it a class and then add custom CSS, then you can stylize the button with CSS. Or you can choose the text color or background color here. So I will keep this as it is and will save changes. Now let's check. I think I already have accepted cookies for this website, so I will need to clear my browser cookies to show you what we created. So to clear this, you will need to click Ctrl Shift Delete on your keyboard. Here make sure you have select cookies and clear data. Now let's check again. So here is the notice, this is the message, and these are the buttons. One is for accepting this message and this is the link to our privacy page. As I mentioned, I set the target to blank. Now if I click this link, it will open a new tab, as you can see here. So this is how you can add a privacy message to your website. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.